Hello everyone, welcome back to Mindful Insights, your go-to space for understanding the mind, breaking down mental health, and building better lives. Have you ever found yourself questioning your relationship, like constantly? Maybe you are wondering, is this person really the one? Or do I even love them enough? You might even get stuck on, what if they don't love me as much as I love them? If that sounds like you could be dealing with something called Relationship OCD. It is a form of OCD that specifically targets relationships, romantic ones, friendships, even family bonds, and today we are diving deep into what it really is, why it happens, how it affects relationships, and how you can manage it. So stick around because this episode might just be the game changer you need. What is relationship OCD? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is relationship OCD or ROCD for short? Most people think OCD is just about excessive cleaning or organizing, but it is so much more than that. With relationship OCD, the obsession is centered around your relationship. People with ROCD often experience intrusive thoughts that cause them to question whether their relationship is right or if their feelings are valid. It is not just normal relationship doubts, it is constant, and these thoughts can interfere with the relationship. The key here is that these thoughts are intrusive and persistent, often creating extreme anxiety. How ROCD affects relationships? So, how does ROCD actually affect your relationships? Well, it can take a serious toll on both partners. First of all, the person with ROCD may struggle to feel fully satisfied or happy in their relationship because they are constantly second-guessing everything. This leads to emotional exhaustion for both people. Partners on the receiving end often feel confused or hurt when repeatedly questioned about their feelings or commitment. This can create distance even if the person with ROCD doesn't mean to push their partner away. Trust issues can develop, and sometimes this cycle of doubt and reassurance seeking leads to real relationship problems, not because of any true incompatibility, but because of the constant pressure. Over time, the anxiety and need for certainty can cause friction. What was once a loving relationship can become strained as one or both partners feel trapped in doubts, questions, and reassurance that never seems enough. Common symptoms of ROCD. Now, how do you know if you are experiencing ROCD? Well, here are some common symptoms to look out for. Constantly questioning your feelings for your partner or their feelings for you. Obsessively comparing your relationship to others. Are we as happy as they are? Repeatedly seeking reassurance from friends, family, or your partner about the relationship. Feeling the need to test your partner's love or commitment subtly or obviously. These are just a few, but they all share one thing in common. No matter how much reassurance you get, it never feels like enough. Why does ROCD happen? So, why does this happen? There is no single cause, but several factors can contribute to ROCD. Like other forms of OCD, it can be linked to underlying anxiety, low self esteem, or fear of uncertainty. Relationship OCD thrives in people who are perfectionistic or have a strong need for certainty in their relationships. Your brain is on a relentless quest to find something wrong even when nothing is wrong. And of course, past trauma or relationship issues can also trigger ROCD. Managing ROCD. What can you do? So, what can you do if you are struggling with relationship OCD? The good news is that there are ways to manage it. Here are a few strategies. 1. Cognitive Behavioral Therapy (CBT). This is one of the most effective treatments for ROCD. It helps you challenge those intrusive thoughts and reframe your thinking. 2. Mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you recognize your thoughts without getting caught up in them. It enables you to realize that thoughts are just thoughts, not facts. Limit reassurance seeking. As tempting as it is to keep asking for reassurance, the problem worsens in the long run. Try to reduce the need for constant validation. 4. Exposure and Response Prevention (ERP). A specific form of CBT, ERP exposes you to your fears while preventing the compulsive reassurance seeking or avoidance behaviors that reinforce them. Remember, you are not alone. Professional help can make a difference. And that's a wrap on today's episode. If you ever found yourself drowning in relationship doubts, just know there's help and hope out there. Relationship OCD is something you can manage, and with the right tools, you can take control and enjoy a fulfilling relationship without the constant second guessing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into mental health. As always, drop a comment below. Stay mindful, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and each other.